Mr. Chairman, heads of staff, esteemed teachers, fellow students, ladies and gentlemen. On the behalf of the newly elected prefect, I am honored and humbled to express our gratitude for this trust you have placed in us and to accept this responsibility. We are honored to accept this responsibility and pledge to serve our school with dedication, passion, and integrity. As prefects, we promise to listen to your concern and ideas, be the voice of our fellow students, and to stand up for what is right and be positive role models and leaders. We also promise to be approachable, accessible, and accountable, and to always put the needs of our school first. Mr. Chairman, we recognize the challenges that lie ahead, but we are ready to face them together. We are committed to creating a positive impact, to fostering a culture of inclusive, respect, and empathy, and to making our school a place where everyone feels valued, heard, and seen. We promise to work tirelessly to improve our school, to support our students, and to enhance our community. We also promise to work our school administration, teachers, and our fellow students. To our outgoing prefect, we thank you for your leadership, guidance, and support. We recognize the legacy you have placed behind, and we promise to build upon your achievements. We appreciate the time, effort, and energy you have invested in our school, and we are committed to continuing your good work. We say Ayuko, may you continue to achieve great things. And to the school, thank you once again for entrusting us with this responsibility. Let us continue to make good impact in our world. Samuel Sinek said, and I quote, "Leadership is not about being in charge. It is about taking care of those in your charge." We promise to go by this quote. Long live great minds, long live Ghana. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Incoming senior most boy prefect. Now, before we go to the session, we take the national anthem. So let's welcome Uncle Chi. Let's welcome Uncle Chi.
Let's all be on our feet with the help of our band boys to sing the national anthem. God brings a whole land, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong, bold to defend forever the goal of freedom and oppression. In the heart with true humility, they can hear it, honesty, and this is the truth. We know our way and find forevermore. Thank you. Be on your seat.
Okay, you are going. Hello. Hello. Now we shall call upon the incoming, the senior most girls. The senior most girls, outgoing senior most girls, to give us a prefectural council speech. An outgoing prefectural council speech. So let's welcome Basenti.
A beautiful afternoon to the manager, the headmaster, headmistress, parents, teaching and non-teaching staff, and distinguished guests. As we stand here today, we mark the end of a remarkable journey. Our term as the Students' Council has come to an end, and it's time to bid farewell. We want to express our gratitude to each and every one of you for your support, trust, and encouragement. Your enthusiasm and energy have driven us to work tirelessly to make our school a better place. We've shared countless memories, from organizing events to advocating for your rights. We've laughed together, debated together, and grown together. As we pass the baton to the new council, we are confident that they will continue to build on our achievements and take the Students' Council to even greater heights. To our fellow students, keep being the change you want to see in your school. Keep pushing boundaries, keep innovating, and keep making your voices heard. To the new council, we offer our support, guidance, and best wishes. May your term be filled with wisdom, creativity, and joy. Long live great minds, long live Rizzi Empire, long live our motherland Ghana. Thank you.
All right. That's from Outgoing Senior Most Girls Prefect. So let's welcome on stage. Let's welcome her.
Mr. Chairman, esteemed teachers, fellow students, ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered here to mark the end of our prefectural council's term and to celebrate the memories, achievements, and the legacy that we have created during our term. Mr. Chairman, we have worked tirelessly to serve our school community, to live with integrity, and to make a positive impact on the lives of our fellow students, thereby creating a lot of memories. We are proud of the bonds we have formed, the friendship, the memories, and the experiences that will stay with us for a lifetime. We are filled with the memories of time in office. We remember the laughter, the challenges, and the triumphs of the endless meetings. We remember the moments that defines us, the moments that tested our leadership and teamwork. And we remember the moment that made it all worth it. Moments of pride, of accomplishment, and of service. Mr. Chairman, on achievements, we have achieved so much. We have excelled in academics, won recognitions, and made significant improvements in our infrastructure, our facility, and our resources. We have expanded our facilities that provide state-of-the-art of resources for students and teachers. Our library is now a hub of learning, with access to latest books and digital resources. We have also improved our safety and security measures with upgraded cameras. Our transportation fleet is modern and reliable, ensuring that our students arrive safely to and from school. These material achievements are a testament to our dedication and commitment to our school community. And lastly, we celebrate the legacy. We have led with courage, compassion, and wisdom. Our legacy is one of service, of leadership, and of teamwork. As we end our council's team, I will once again congratulate our newly elected prefect. May you continue with the good works, lead a school with wisdom, and build on foundations laid. This marks the end of the Prefectural Council for 2023 to 2024 academic year. Farewell, and may our school continue to thrive. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Outgoing Protocol Prefect. On stage. So newly elected prefects, kindly come on stage for us. Let's welcome, please. Continue clapping. Okay, so we've gotten to the handing over and banding of new prefectural council. Now let's keep on clapping as she put the band on the newly elected senior most girls prefect. All right, so that is the newly elected senior most girls prefect. Now it's the turn of the senior most boys prefect. The senior most boys prefect. All right, thank you, senior most boys and girls. The religious prefect. Religious prefect.
Good afternoon, school. The oath of allegiance of the Prefectural Council to the management of the school is a sworn declaration that every prefect elected by the student body must recite during a ceremony in order to become a prefect of the school. The oath ceremony is a tradition dating back to the 18th century. By taking the oath, the new prefect promises to fulfill the following duties. I support and defend the school's constitution, the student guidance of GreatMinds International School, give up allegiance to each and lower management of the school or educational unit, renounce his or her hereditary or noble titles as the prefect of the school, provide service when called upon by the school management to do so, great minds, great minds, so help me God. Thank you.
Now it's time swearing in the senior most boys and girls. Time for the of the senior most boys and girls. Now let's welcome the headmaster as we swear in the newly elected senior most boys and girls prefect of the school.
Good afternoon. Now time, that is the swearing in of our boys and girls prefects. These individuals have been chosen for their exemplary qualities and dedication to our school. As they take their oath today, let us all support them in their roles and work together to uphold the values and standards of GreatMinds International School. Now you put your right hand, the boys prefect, the senior boys prefect, you put your hands on the Bible. So, boys prefect, you take this oath. Having been elected as the boys prefect of GreatMinds International School, do solemnly swear to
Having been elected as boys prefect of GreatMinds International School, do solemnly swear to
uphold the values and principles of our school,
uphold the values and principles of our school,
lead by example in conduct, discipline, and academic excellence,
lead by example in conduct, discipline, and academic excellence,
serve the student body with dedication, fairness, and integrity,
serve the student body with dedication, fairness, and integrity,
foster a spirit of unity and respect among students and staff, contribute positively to the school environment and community.
Contribute positively to the school and environment and community.
I accept this responsibility with honor and promise to fulfill my duties to the best of my abilities. So help me God. You take the oath. I, having been elected as the girls' prefect of GreatMinds International School,
Having been elected as the girls' prefect of GreatMinds International School,
do solemnly swear to uphold the values and principles of our school.
do solemnly swear to uphold the values and principles of the school.
Lead by example in conduct, discipline, and academic excellence.
Lead by example in conduct, discipline, and academic excellence.
Serve the student body with dedication, fairness, and integrity.
Serve the student body with dedication, fairness, and integrity.
Foster a spirit of unity and respect among students and staff.
Foster a spirit of unity and respect among students and staff.
Contribute positively to the school environment and community.
Contribute positively to the school environment and community.
I accept this responsibility with honor and promise to fulfill my duties to the best of my abilities. So help me God.
I accept this responsibility with honor and promise to fulfill my duties to the best of my abilities. So help me God.
Congratulations, Original.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's all rise up. Together we congratulate our new boys, house prefects. May they lead with wisdom, courage, and compassion, and may we support them in their journey. Let us all give a round of applause as a congratulations to their office. You may take your seat. Thank you. You may continue with the ceremony.
Having been selected as prefect of GreatMinds International School, do solemnly swear to uphold the values and principles of our school. Lead by example in conduct, principles, and academic excellence.
Lead by example in conduct, discipline, and academic excellence.
Serve the student body with dedication, fairness, and integrity.
Serve the student body with dedication, fairness, and integrity.
Foster a spirit of unity.
Spirit of unity.
Respect among students and staff. Contribute positively to the school environment and community. I accept this responsibility with honor and promise to fulfill my duties to the best of my abilities. So help me God.
All right, please, let's get back to our seat. As I said, Oman be ya ijina me no. Thank you. So next we shall call the assistant headmaster of the school, Uncle Che, to give us the special swearing and roping of protocol prefects. So let's welcome Uncle Che as he takes the microphone. Let's welcome the assistant headmaster of this institution. Please, let's welcome properly.
Good afternoon once again. Distinguished guests, school board, parents, students. It is now time for a special part of our ceremony, the swearing in of our protocol prefect. This role is crucial for maintaining order and ensuring the smooth execution of our school's events and functions. At this juncture, I would like to call Spendulaf Nyako to come forward. Spendy, move forward as you clap for her. Outgoing protocol prefect, thank you. Yes, the old order has changed, yielding praise for new. We continue. I,
Buahinyako Spendila,
having been elected as protocol prefect of GreatMinds International School,
having been elected as the protocol prefect of GreatMinds International School,
solemnly swear to uphold the values and principles of our school with integrity and dedication.
Uphold the values and principles of our school with integrity and dedication.
Ensure the smooth execution of all events and functions by following established protocols.
Ensure the smooth execution of all school events and functions by following established protocols.
Welcome and assist guests and dignitaries with respect and professionalism.
Welcome and assist guests, visitors and dignitaries with respect and professionalism.
Maintain order and decorum during school events, ensuring activities and smoothly effectively.
Maintain order and decorum during school events, ensuring that activities run smoothly and effectively.
Communicate effectively with students, staff, and visitors to facilitate the success of school programs.
Communicate effectively with students, staff, and visitors to facilitate the success of school programs.
Lead by example in adherence to the school dress code and behavioral standards.
Lead by example in adherence to the school's dress code and behavioral standards.
Train and guide fellow students on proper etiquette and conduct during school functions.
Train and guide fellow students on proper etiquette and conduct during school functions.
Work closely with school administration and staff to plan and coordinate events.
Work closely with the school administration and staff to plan coordinate events.
Keep accurate records of school events and strive for continuous improvement in event management.
Keep accurate records of schools' events and strive for continuous improvement.
I accept this responsibility with honor and promise to fulfill my duty to the best of my abilities. So help me God.
I accept this responsibility with honor and promise to fulfill my duties to the best of my abilities. So help me God.
Buahi, we look forward to your leadership and contribute as our protocol prefect. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in congratulating Buahi Spendlove as the protocol prefect of GreatMinds International School. May he lead with wisdom, grace, and commitment to excellence. Amen.
All right, so newly elected protocol prefect A. Remain. All right, so it's time for us to call the various class prefects. Various class prefects to come on stage. Class prefects for class 4 to JHS2. Class prefects, come on stage. Class prefects, kindly come on stage. Okay.
Good afternoon, teachers, students, and esteemed guests. It is now my honor to share in the new class prefect from Primary 4 to JHS2. These students have been chosen for their leadership qualities and commitment to our school. As class prefects, you will play a vital role in supporting your classmates and ensuring a positive and productive learning environment. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, having been chosen as the class prefect
of Form 1B
at GreatMinds International School, do solemnly swear to uphold the values and principles of our school with integrity and dedication. Serve my classmates with fairness. Respect. And a commitment to their well-being. Assist my teachers in maintaining order. And discipline within the classroom. Lead by example in academic excellence. Behavior. And adherence to school rules. Foster a positive and inclusive environment. Where every student feels valued and respected. Communicate effectively with my peers and teachers to address any concerns or issues. Encourage and support my classmates in their academic personal growth. Take responsibility for my actions and strive to be a role model for my peers. I accept this responsibility with honor and promise to fulfill my duties to the best of my abilities. So help me God. Congratulations to you all. We look forward to your leadership and contributions as class prefects. Ladies and gentlemen, Please join me in congratulating our new class prefects. May they lead with wisdom, compassion, and a commitment to excellence. Kindly rise up and put your hands together for our class prefects. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Before the headmistress speaks, newly elected prefects, kindly come forward.
I'd like to take this opportunity to congratulate our gone prefects. Let's clap for them. Well done. Kudos for your hard work. It was tiring, stressful, but you made your way out. You did your very best to put up for the position that you were given. Well done. Let's clap for them once again. And for our newly elected prefects, I would like to congratulate you. So clap for yourselves for taking up this position. It's not easy, but I know you will put up to the work that you've been given to. The role of the school prefectorial council typically include various leaderships and supportive responsibilities aimed at helping the school community to function smoothly and creating a positive environment for students. Here are some roles for you to emulate as you take up this position. The first role is you are here to represent the school. So your first role is student representation. You will act as a alliance between the student body and the school administration. You are also the voice of the students. Their concerns, their suggestions, their feedback to the school, you carry it on to the administration. So they will always come to you with every problem, and you lead them to the right leadership that will take up those concerns for them. The next role is that you are the role model in your positions. All students are going to look up to you. So set a positive example for other students in terms of behavior, academic efforts, and school spirit. You are to promote good conduct and school values. Another role that you have to emulate is disciplinary support. Assist teachers and staff in administrating discipline during school activities, assemblies, and break. Help enforce school rules and regulations. You are also to organize events. So you put plans and coordinate school events such as sports, cultural festivals, and clarity drives. Work with teachers to organize and manage extracurricular activities. You also welcome duties. Some of the duties you not be aware. It will just come to you and you should be prepared to take it up. So you welcome new students and help them integrate into the school community. You guide visitors and guests during school events. You also become a moderator and tutoring. You provide academic support to the younger and struggling students. So as prefects, academically, you have to rise up. Anything that comes to you, you should have the effort to confront it squarely. So you should be good academically. And then it will also come to you in communication. You have to disseminate important information and announcement to the student body. Ensure effective communication between students and the staff. Also, safety and welfare. Monitor and promote safety practices within the school. Report any safety concerns or issues to the appropriate authorities. You also maintain or give a maintenance of school environment. So you encourage and participate in keeping the school environment clean and orderly. Lead initiatives to improve the school facilities and its surroundings. Also, you support in administrative tasks. So you assist in administration duties as requested by the school's staff or the teachers or any of the help, the leaderships. So help with organizing school resources and materials. So these are a list of some of the roles that you'll be taking up. So you should be ready at any time, any day, any hour, you can be called upon. So these are roles that you should emulate as you take up your responsibility as prefect. Thank you very much. And welcome to the team of prefects.
All right, thank you, Headmistress. So, Okay. Now, hello, hello.
Good day once again. On behalf of the school's electoral board, and the entire school community, I am honored to stand before you today to congratulate our newly elected prefects. Mr. Chairman, the school's administration, the heads and members of staff, student body, ladies and gentlemen, these outstanding individuals have demonstrated exceptional leadership qualities, dedication, and passion, and have earned the trust and support of their peers. To our newly elected prefects, we offer our heartfelt congratulations. Your election is a testament to your hard work, commitment, and vision. You have shown that you have the potential to inspire and lead your fellow students, and we have no doubt that you will excel in your roles. As prefects, you are the representative of the student body, and we entrust you with this responsibility of upholding our values, promoting the school spirit, and being role models to your peers. We offer our support and guidance as you embark on this journey. We encourage you to work together, listen to each other's ideas, and strive for excellence in all that you do. To the entire student body, we encourage you to support and work with our prefects. Let us come together to build a positive and inclusive school community where every voice is valued. And lastly, to our dear outgoing prefects, we thank you for your dedication over the past year. Your contributions to our school community have been invaluable. We appreciate your commitment, dedication, and effort to make our school a better place. Well done. We wish you all the best in your future endeavors and know that you will continue to achieve great things. In closing, I leave you with a quote from John C. Maxwell, an American author. He said, "A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way." May you lead with vision, integrity, and passion. Congratulations once again, and may you have a successful tenure. Thank you.
Swearing in has taken place and handing over has been taken. So it's left over for us to hand over the baton. That is the executive power from the school's top management to you as prefects. So part and a member of the school board and a student rep is the protocol prefect. Please, don't come with any item. I just want to see you coming along. So school, with one love and support, let's clap for our protocol prefect as the headmaster present to the protocol prefect the baton. Clap for her. Senior most boys prefect. Senior most boys prefect. Nani hapa pejina nechi? Aliti neka sa ufono embra. Mama photographer ama. Senior most girls prefect. Senior most girls prefect. Art and entertainment prefect. Art and entertainment prefect. Sports and head prefect, boys. Sports and head prefect, boys. Sports and head prefect, go. Sports and head prefect, go. Religious prefect. Religious prefect. House captain boys. House captain boy. House captain girls. So now you have your baton. Let's all stand up. Our new prefectorial council, please come forward. You line up for us. That's how we are just going to do it. We are just going to clap for them for 1 minute to congratulate them for whatever they have done as prefect. So let's clap, keep clapping. Director, can we have the school anthem being played through the speaker? Let's keep clapping for them. So hold your batons, raise your batons, newly prefect. With your right hands, raise your batons, keep clapping for them. Yes. They have been elected, they have been given their powers, so they are ready to serve. Thank you, sit down, thank you. You keep standing. Class captains, please you come. You line up, then we shake hands with them, starting from them. So let's shake hands. Sit, let's sit. Our outgoing prefect, you do same. Led by the protocol brief. So thank you, new elected prefects. You can have your seat.
The manager, honorable headmaster, assistant headmaster, headmistress, cherished parent, outgoing prefect, fellow students, good day. As I stand here today, we mark a significant milestone in our school's history. The outgoing prefects have set a high standard, and we, the new prefectorial councils, are eager to build upon their achievements. Our mission is to maintain discipline, foster a sense of community, and ensure that every student has a voice. We will work tirelessly to address concerns, promote sports and extracurricular activities, and enhance the overall school's experiences. As leaders, we recognize that our role is not only to enforce rules, but also listen, support, and inspire our fellow students. We will strive to create an inclusive and welcoming environment where everyone feels valued and respected. We understand that leader is not about titles or positions, but about serving others. We promise to be approachable, transparent, and fair in our decision making. To our fellow students, we ask for your support and cooperation. Let us work together to make our school a place where we can thrive, grow, learn. Let us all move together. Long live GreatMinds. Long live our motherland. Thank you.
close with the council meeting while the protocol prefect draws the conclusion of the council meeting. Your manifesto and your action plan. Protocol prefect.
Mr. Chairman, distinguished guests, respected faculty members, fellow prefects, dear students, I greet you all. On behalf of the Prefectural Council, I am excited to share our plan for the academic year. Our team has worked collaboratively to create a vision that promotes student success, well-being and engagement. Our key initiatives include academic support programs such as peer monitoring and study groups, wellness initiatives, including stress management workshops, student engagement activities, including cultural festivals, talent shows and sports tournaments, fostering a culture of inclusivity, diversity and respect, enhancing academic rigor and support and many more. We are committed to create a vibrant and supportive school community where every student can grow, learn and succeed. We invite you to join us on this journey, share your ideas, and be an active part of shaping our school's future. We believe that, together, we can make a positive impact on our school to create a fantastic year ahead memorable. Long live GreatMinds International School. Long live our motherland, Ghana. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Protocol prefect. Of the swearing in and the handing over ceremony. So today's activity has ended. We begin with prayer, so we shall end with prayers. Let's call Uncle Che to lead us with the closing prayer. Uncle Che, a bonfire, man.
Please, let's stand up and then we pray. God Almighty, we thank you this afternoon that you've helped us to bring our program to a successful end. As we've elected our new prefects, we entreat you to lead and guide them. Give them the necessary assistance and wisdom so that the following year they can rule the school as we wish. This and many more we ask in your holy name. Amen.